Have you ever wondered what lurks in the vastness of space, hidden just beyond our sight? Well, NASA's latest discovery has left scientists speechless. A colossal, unidentified object was recently caught passing in front of the sun, blocking out an enormous portion of its light. What could be so massive that it dims our star? Is this a natural phenomenon, or is there something more mysterious at play? Stay tuned as we dive into the shocking details of this cosmic mystery. NASA's Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, SOHO, and the Parker Solar Probe have been constantly monitoring the sun, capturing data to help us understand solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and space weather. But recently, something entirely unexpected happened. An enormous, dark object moved across the sun's surface, partially obscuring it. This wasn't a solar flare, nor was it an ordinary planetary transit like Mercury or Venus. The size and speed of this object baffled experts. Within minutes, it traversed an area that should take much longer for known celestial bodies. The images and videos captured show an unusual silhouette, raising immediate concerns about what it could be. Could this be a rogue planet? A fragment of an asteroid? Or something even more extraordinary? One of the first theories suggested by scientists is that the object might be an asteroid, albeit a gigantic one. The sun's immense gravitational pull can attract space debris, and some asteroids from the Oort cloud or Kuiper belt might be large enough to momentarily obscure part of the sun. But here's the problem: the object's trajectory didn't match known asteroid movement patterns. It was moving too fast, and its shape was oddly symmetrical. Usually, asteroids appear as irregularly shaped, tumbling masses. But this object had a structured outline, almost as if it was designed. That's what got the scientific community buzzing. Could this be something artificial? One of the most exciting theories is that this might be evidence of an alien megastructure. A Dyson Sphere, for instance, is a hypothetical structure that an advanced extraterrestrial civilization could build around a star to harness its energy. The concept has been popular in science fiction, but could it be real? If what NASA captured was a section of a Dyson Sphere or a similar construct, it would be one of the most groundbreaking discoveries in human history. The shape and sudden appearance of this anomaly suggest it wasn't a natural event. Could this mean we're not alone? And if aliens are capable of such a structure, what else might they be hiding in the depths of space? Another possibility is that we might be witnessing an undiscovered cosmic phenomenon. Some experts have suggested that a small black hole passing between Earth and the Sun could have created the illusion of an object blocking the sunlight. Black holes can warp light due to gravitational lensing, making it appear as if something solid is there when, in reality, it's just a bend in space-time. Alternatively, an unknown solar event, such as a massive prominence or sunspot, might have temporarily dimmed part of the sun in a way never seen before. But if that were the case, why did the object move so quickly? Could it be a new type of cosmic structure forming near our star? Regardless of what this object was, one thing is clear: there's still so much we don't know about our universe. NASA and other space agencies are working to analyze the data, hoping to determine if this event was a rare celestial anomaly or something far more extraordinary. This discovery raises new questions about our understanding of astrophysics and the potential for intelligent life beyond Earth. With the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope and next-generation space observatories, we may soon uncover more evidence of these massive cosmic structures or even signs of extraterrestrial intelligence. So what do you think? Was this just an unusually large asteroid, a piece of an alien megastructure, or something completely beyond our current understanding? Let us know in the comments below. NASA quickly addressed the discovery, acknowledging the unusual sighting but avoiding speculation. They released an official statement suggesting that the object could be a yet-to-be-identified celestial body or an optical illusion caused by solar activity. However, independent researchers analyzing the footage found that the object had a consistent shape, size, and speed, ruling out common explanations like debris or sensor malfunctions. The fact that NASA did not immediately classify it as a known phenomenon only fueled more curiosity. Could they be withholding information, or are they as puzzled as the rest of us? Astronomers and physicists worldwide have jumped into the debate, proposing multiple theories. Some believe it could be a previously unknown type of exoplanet, or an interstellar object similar to Oumuamua. Others suggest it might be a fragment of a destroyed moon or a massive chunk of ice reflecting sunlight in a peculiar way. What's striking is that the object didn't emit any heat signature detectable by infrared sensors. If it were a solid celestial body, it should have absorbed and radiated some of the sun's heat. The absence of this suggests something much more unusual at play. What if this isn't a natural object at all? Some researchers speculate that this might be an alien spacecraft, possibly using the sun for energy. Given its sheer size, it would dwarf anything humans have ever built. If an extraterrestrial civilization were to travel through interstellar space, using a star for fuel would be an efficient method. Could this be a mothership hiding in plain sight? And if so, was this a deliberate appearance? Or did NASA accidentally capture something they weren't meant to see? Civilizations throughout history have documented strange occurrences involving the sun. From ancient Egyptian depictions of solar gods to Mayan records of celestial objects influencing solar activity, could there be a connection? Ancient texts describe massive chariots or shields appearing in the sky, often interpreted as omens or messages from the gods. Could this latest sighting be similar? Is it possible that past civilizations also witnessed such anomalies but lacked the technology to document them as we do today? This isn't the first time something unexplained has been observed near the sun. In 2012, NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory captured what appeared to be a massive object tethered to the sun by a plasma-like connection before suddenly detaching and vanishing. Similarly, in 2020, an unidentified dark mass was seen moving near the sun's surface. While skeptics dismissed these as shadows or imaging artifacts, the frequency of these occurrences suggests otherwise. Is there an entire phenomenon happening near the sun that we are only now beginning to understand? Rogue planets are massive planetary bodies that travel through space without orbiting any star. If this object were a rogue planet, it would be unlike anything we've ever encountered. For a planet to pass in front of the sun, it would have to be moving at extraordinary speeds, defying our current understanding of planetary motion. Could it be a wandering world, ejected from its home system and now drifting through the galaxy? Scientists have long speculated about the possibility of massive structures lurking within our solar system, hidden by the sun's glare. Some theories suggest that large alien constructs could be using the sun as a gravitational anchor or even a power source. This object, with its defined shape and trajectory, could fit that description. If it's artificial, who built it? And how long has it been there without us noticing? Modern space research relies on artificial intelligence, AI, to detect and analyze celestial anomalies. NASA and other space agencies are currently using AI to filter through vast amounts of data. Could AI help decode the true nature of this object? And more importantly, what happens if AI determines that this is something we've never seen before, something beyond human comprehension? For years, astronomers have suspected the existence of a ninth planet lurking in the outer solar system. Dubbed Planet 9, this hypothetical world could be influencing the orbits of distant celestial objects. If this mystery object is related to Planet 9, it might be a moon or fragment of a larger body that was pulled into the sun's proximity. If so, this could be the first direct evidence of the long-theorized Planet 9. If this object is an asteroid or rogue planet, could it pose a threat to Earth? Scientists are monitoring its trajectory to determine whether it could be on a collision course. Thankfully, so far, there's no indication of immediate danger. However, this discovery highlights the need for improved early warning systems for detecting unknown celestial objects. Some reports suggest that military organizations, including the U.S. Space Force, are closely monitoring this event. Could there be classified information that we're not being told? Governments have long been interested in unidentified aerial phenomena. Does this extend to space-based anomalies as well? Some skeptics argue that this could be a rare solar event, such as a massive prominence or solar storm. However, the shape and motion of the object make this unlikely. Scientists are examining past solar events to see if anything similar has ever been recorded. So far, this sighting remains one of a kind. Observatories worldwide are now turning their attention to the Sun, hoping to capture more data on this anomaly. The European Space Agency and China's space agencies are also investigating. With more eyes on the Sun, we may soon get answers whether they confirm a natural event or something far stranger. The internet has exploded with theories, ranging from hidden alien bases to secret government projects. Some believe NASA has already identified the object, but is withholding information. While most claims are speculative, the sheer volume of discussion proves that this event has captured global attention. NASA is expected to release further analysis in the coming months. The James Webb Space Telescope and other observatories may provide additional clues. For now, we remain on the edge of discovery. Could this be the biggest space mystery of our time? Only time will tell. Scientists reviewing the footage noticed something odd while the object blocked sunlight. It didn't cast a shadow in the expected way. Typically, when a planet or celestial body passes in front of a light source, there's a noticeable diffraction effect. But in this case, the shadow had sharp, almost artificial-looking edges. This has led some to question whether this is a solid object at all, or something that bends light in ways we don't yet understand. Could it be a cloaked vessel, or a new type of space anomaly? One of the most baffling questions is why astronomers didn't detect this object sooner. If it were a planet or asteroid, we should have seen it long before it reached the Sun. This suggests two possibilities. Either it was moving at an incredible, almost impossible speed, or it appeared suddenly, possibly through some kind of space-time distortion. Could it have emerged from another dimension, or even a wormhole? Speaking of wormholes, some theorists suggest that the Sun could be acting as a gravitational portal, temporarily opening pathways to other parts of the universe. If the object suddenly materialized in front of the Sun, it might not have been moving through normal space at all. Instead, it could have traveled through a cosmic shortcut, appearing and disappearing before we had time to react. Over the past few years, UFO sightings have surged, with even government agencies admitting they can't explain certain unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs. Is it possible that this sighting near the Sun is related? Could extraterrestrial craft be using the Sun as an energy source or even a gateway for interstellar travel? If so, this could be the most direct evidence of an advanced extraterrestrial presence yet. One challenge in studying this anomaly is the Sun's extreme brightness and radiation, which makes it difficult to get clear images. Many telescopes filter out the Sun's light to capture objects near it, but this can sometimes lead to distortions or missing details. NASA's team is working to refine their imaging techniques to determine whether the object is truly as solid as it appears. Another theory suggests that this might have been a failed solar ejection, essentially a chunk of the Sun that detached but didn't disperse as expected. However, the problem with this idea is that solar plasma is highly unstable. If this were a chunk of the Sun, it would have dissipated quickly instead of maintaining a consistent shape and motion. Astronomers frequently discover new types of celestial bodies, from rogue planets to interstellar comets. Could this be a completely new class of space object? Perhaps a massive low-density object like a dark comet or a structure made of unknown cosmic material. If so, this discovery could rewrite astronomy textbooks. While many people are excited by the possibility of an alien megastructure, mainstream scientists urge caution. They argue that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. So far, we have an unexplained sighting, but no proof that it's artificial. Could this be another case of overexcited speculation? Or is there truly something unnatural about what NASA caught on camera? If an advanced civilization were extracting energy from the sun, what would that look like? Some researchers suggest that a massive ship or station could be harvesting solar plasma, using it as a power source. The object's movement and sudden disappearance could indicate controlled maneuvering, not random celestial drift. If that's the case, we may have just caught a glimpse of something truly groundbreaking. It's not just NASA looking into this. Private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have shown interest in unexplained cosmic phenomena. Could we see independent space agencies step in to investigate? If they do, their findings might not be restricted by government secrecy, potentially leading to new insights. Since this discovery, observatories worldwide have joined the investigation, collaborating to gather more data. With telescopes in different locations monitoring the sun, researchers hope to catch another glimpse of the anomaly. If it reappears, we may finally get the evidence needed to confirm what it really is. Some speculate that this object could be a signal or even a warning. If an intelligent force placed it there, what message might they be trying to send? Could this be an attempt to communicate with humanity? Or are we simply not advanced enough to understand the significance of what we're seeing? If this sighting had happened centuries ago, how would past civilizations have interpreted it? Many ancient cultures viewed celestial anomalies as divine omens or messages from the gods. Would they have seen this as a sign of impending change? And more importantly, should we? The debate between skeptics and believers rages on. Some dismiss the object as an ordinary, explainable event, while others insist that the data suggests something extraordinary. Who will be proven right? Only further research and evidence will settle this cosmic mystery. If this is artificial, it could be the work of a Type II or Type II civilization on the Kardashev scale, far beyond our technological capabilities. Such civilizations would have access to technologies we can barely imagine, including the ability to manipulate stars and energy on an interstellar scale. Many religious scholars have weighed in, comparing this event to prophetic visions or biblical descriptions of celestial signs. Is this event part of a grander cosmic design, or just another unexplained astronomical phenomenon? NASA's Parker Solar Probe is currently studying the sun up close. Could it capture more data about this mysterious sighting? If a probe gets closer and records new details, we may finally have solid evidence about the object's true nature. Many researchers believe this isn't the last time we'll see this anomaly. Some astronomers are already predicting a potential reappearance. If it comes back, will it follow the same trajectory? Or will it act in a way that proves it's under intelligent control? As our technology improves, we'll likely capture more strange and unexplained objects in space. Will we finally get undeniable proof of extraterrestrial intelligence? Or will the universe continue to tease us with its mysteries? Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blesovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.